Televidente Bambinino, tradición y Time Out. Habla en Time Out, por un gran honor junto con nosotros el corredor máximo de distancia larga que Aruba, el corredor femenino máximo, elite en long distance running. Nos referindo a Lana Gobert, o que nos vai papo com ele, disse que dato de Swiss Time Out. Nós vamos botar uma cortiga sem que nós vem back, nós está conversando com Lana Gobert. Televidente, danke por quedando conosco. Nós estamos com Lana Gobert, nosso corredor elite de distância larga. Lana, good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, Mr. Claret. I'm fine. How are you?
I just, becoming younger. Look,
Yeah.
2024 was an excellent year for you. Let's tell us about it in your own words. How it went, and how did you feel during the 2024?
It was a great year for running as previous years. And the biggest news, of course, of this year was finishing the sixth major marathon and finally getting the six-star medal, after running Tokyo. But then I had the even greater news of, being able to go to Paris and join the Olympic marathon, the marathon part 2, and run the same course as the Olympians did the next day. And it was truly fantastic, magic year.
How did you classify for the Paris Marathon? Did you have to do some classification runs before that?
Back in 2020, the Paris Marathon opened a special application program where you could register and start taking part in different events throughout every month. And doing those events, you were collecting points. And basically, I was training for other marathons, and I was, running every day, and I was running long mileages, and I was able to join all those challenges. And in 2023 or 2022, I finally got, I won my spot. And, by participating, by taking a leap of faith, that this was something real, that this can actually work. And it did. I was able to go.
Yeah, look, Lana, who was the driving force behind you?
I think it's yourself always, it's either you do it, there's nobody else outside who can actually push you out into the streets or into the gym or push food off your plate. It's you. You have to want to do it, and you have to want to do it on a certain level. I think it's something that drives you within.
Approximately how many hours did you put, especially for the for the Paris Olympic Marathon?
I think the whole year going into it. Once I found out that I will be able to go, I've been training and with the thought that I will be going there, and I knew that the course will not be easy. And and every day it was pushing me and motivating me that that I'll have to run that particular course or that particular race. And yeah, every day. How many hours I cannot tell you. Many.
Look, being the course which was a little difficult. You tell us. Did it? How much did it affect your timing?
Well,
Or your time?
I do believe, because it was so hilly and those hills that began after the 15-kilometer mark, they took a toll, of course. And, I've added quite a few minutes on it, but overall I did great. With my time, I'm very happy how I performed there and how I felt during the run.
Look, it's not easy what you're doing. Going to Paris last year in 2024. Um, did you have people on the side cheering you up?
Unfortunately, my family couldn't go, but there were so many people on the roads on that marathon. So many um, cheering crowds, and the amazing part was that even that marathon started in the center, and we had millions of people, and it was expected. But further, when the route took you outside of Paris all the way to Versailles, and you ran not through the city, but still there were many people.
You will never forget this, right?
No, because it was really magnificent. And when you turn around and you come back from Versailles to Paris, and you run down the hill and you see the Paris down, gloring at you with the Eiffel Tower, all light, all lit up for the night.
Wow.
Like it's beautiful. It really takes your breath away, and you run to it. It's like a fairy tale, for real.
Televidente, la conosco tayo about Cortico City, que conosco back si Masco. Lana Gobert, nos elite long distance runner Kinerua.
Welcome to Holland. Welcome to the country of the world's most famous cows. This is where your Frisian flag milk comes from. Taste our nature at its best. Frisian flag. Discover the goodness of milk from Holland.
Televidente, danke perché tu conosco con Lana Gobert. Lana, do you think you can go for another run, another Olympic run in 2028? Let's say it.
2028. Well, I've compared my time, the finishing time this year to the official, sportsmen who official Olympians, and my time was not the last one. So if I'll go, I'll be able to run quite good.
What is your next huge goal in running?
In running right now, they just announced that Sydney became a major marathon, the Marathon of Sydney in Australia. And of course, since I have the medal of the 6 major marathons, I would love to do that one. And it will be held, I think, on August 30th, 2025.
Wow. My next question, don't interpret it as money-wise. What are your personal benefits since you are running?
I have 0 benefits, only health benefits and creating memories,
Wow.
I say, whenever we won't remember things that we have, but we will remember things that we have done and things that we have seen. And the running enabled me to visit different places and see different things, and it's a magic of it.
Wow. Look, what can you expect from Lana in 2025?
I will keep working on my speed. Every time I do a race and I run a certain time, and if I'm not injured, I get motivated to train again and to try to be faster and to be in better shape. And I think that's that's the most like important thing, you know, that we, no matter the age, no matter the years, that we still strive to be better of versions of ourselves, and that's my goal, you know, to keep working on my times.
Wow. Look, I'm going to give you a chance to extend your Merry Christmas and your Happy New Year to all the people that works with you, that you love them, and what, your world. This is the moment.
This is the moment. Well, I'd love to wish to everyone a happy New Year and Merry Christmas, and my warmest wishes, my best wishes to all of you. And please stay active, please stay healthy and energetic, and be positive. And I hope that next year will bring only good things to all of you.
Wow. Just one more question. What about Lana Jr.?
Lana Jr. is training hard and has her goals on.
That is
And I'm very, you know, happy and excited to watch her grow. And I think in a few years it would be nice to see her on, you know, official 3K and 5K courses.
wow, wow, wow. Do you feel proud?
Of course, you know, but as parents, we feel proud no matter what, right? And when a child gives you actual actual things to be proud of, you know, by like you know, finishing first, bringing the medals in different sports home, and continuing striving to be better, and being eager to work to be better. That's
Wow,
the best feeling that a parent can have.
wow, wow. Televidente, el mejor corredor de distancia larga na rua, Lana Gobert, que tinha até número 1 de Patricia Sports, ela ganha não sei quanto carreira acaba. Ela classificava para participar da maratona de Paris, mas depois se escuta, e tem o Axi para 2028 também. Não está fácil, não está easy. É tarefa que a senhora que tem. Pero, é um grande, é um corredor que nós não sabe que tempo nós temos um detalhe aí, a melhor com ele aqui na rua, pero simplesmente one of the best nós temos aqui na rua. Lana, thank you very much. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May 2025 be the year of your biggest dreams. Thank you.